The DeBuyer Country Pan 11-inch is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's made from carbon steel. This material is known for getting really hot and staying hot. That makes it perfect for searing meats and stir-frying veggies. The 11-inch size and 7.7-inch cooking surface give you plenty of room. You can sauté, simmer, deep fry, and stir-fry with ease. Plus, it's made in France. This often means high quality. This DeBuyer Country Pan 11-inch is also free from harmful chemicals. It has no PFAS, PFOA, or PFOS. That's good for you and your food. Over time, with use and proper seasoning, coating with fat and baking, this pan develops a natural non-stick surface. This means less food sticks. Cleaning is usually easy. Often, it just wipes clean. You should avoid using soap, as it can remove the seasoning. Abrasive pads are also not recommended. If you have questions about carbon steel pans, there are many resources online. The DeBuyer Country Pan 11-inch is a versatile workhorse. It can handle high heat for a perfect sear. It can also gently simmer sauces. While it might not come in a fancy box, its performance speaks volumes. It's a reliable pan that, with care, will last for years. Woot! This pan hits the sweet point for both home cooks and serious chefs. It's a great alternative to non-stick pans. And it works well with all sorts of utensils. It's not made in Mexico, but its French craftsmanship is something to appreciate. Pros: works for deep frying, good for stir-frying, PFAS, PFOA and PFOS free, made in France, carbon steel, natural material, no chemicals, oven safe. Cons: handle can get hot, requires careful washing, not non-stick initially, may warp at high heat. Uneven heating possible, can be heavy, beeswax coating to remove, might react with acid. Features: carbon steel 11-inch size 7.7-inch cook surface, great for sautéing, good for simmering. Works for deep frying, also for stir-frying, PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free. This DeBuyer Mineral B Country Fry Pan is made of carbon steel and is 11 inches wide with a 7.7-inch cooking space. It's great for cooking many things like sautéing, simmering, deep frying, and stir-frying. This pan is made in France and does not have PFAS, PFOA, or PFOS. This DeBuyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Pan, made in France, is great for many types of cooking like sautéing and deep frying. It's made of natural carbon steel and has no harmful chemicals. The pan can go in the oven, but the handle might get hot. It needs to be washed carefully and won't be non-stick at first also. It might not heat evenly and could be heavy. It has a beeswax coating that needs to be removed before using. And it might react with acidic foods.